This is a piece written by my spirit guide and teacher. His name is Howard Thurman. This piece is entitled The Inward Sea. There is in every person an inward sea, and in that inward sea there is an island, and on that island there is an altar, and standing guard before that altar is the angel with the flaming sword. Nothing can get by that angel to be placed upon that altar unless it has the mark of your inner authority. Nothing passes the angel with the flaming sword to be placed upon your altar unless it be a part of the fluid area of your consent. This is your critical link with the eternal.